Hey guys, behind me is my 2023 Nissan Z with the StreetHunter Widebody kit with the carbon fiber aero. I came here today to give you guys a walkthrough of my car. Since I just got it back yesterday, we still have to unassemble everything back out, prep the panels, sand them, all that good stuff. But I do want to apologize before I continue this video. I literally brought my camera and I forgot the freaking SD chip. I was editing some footage and I forgot it at home. I don't want to go back and come back, so we're recording from an iPhone. But without further ado, here's a walkthrough of my Nissan Z with the wide body kit. Here's the front third angle of the car. As you can see, the panels match pretty good, I would say. I would say like a 8.5 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. They match pretty good. We still have to sand everything. I really do like the aggressive. You can see this is the carbon fiber aero package. So you got carbon fiber front lip matched with a carbon fiber front splitter, so it's a two-piece combo. As you can see here, makes it look a little bit more aggressive, so it looks really nice. That was one of the problems with the Z, that it wasn't aggressive enough, so I think that adds just enough aggressiveness and it looks absolutely beautiful. One thing I do have to do, just so you guys get behind the package, right here you can see a little bit right here. On the way to Los Angeles at ZCon, we actually ended up running over some kind of hose on the highway and it sliced my entire bumper. So when we go and get these prepped, we're actually gonna end up fixing the bumper as well. So that's something to look forward to that I have to do. Now if you look here, we do have the Fly One carbon fiber vented hood. Now this is a question for you guys. Would you guys prefer that I leave the hood exposed like this, how it is? Of course, all of this is gonna be wrap matched. I won't say paint matched because it's not paint, it's gonna be wrap matched. Should I leave this fully exposed, or something else that I was thinking was wrapping the entire hood and then leaving these vents exposed with carbon? So leaving these fins with the vents exposed and then wrap the rest of the hood, or just leave it all exposed. So that's a question that I'm kind of debating about. Let me know down in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. So another cool part of the kit is the side skirt. It's like a multi-piece side skirt. So you got the front piece right here, the main side skirt, and then you go right here, and this is a second side skirt that attaches to the main one, and that creates your kind of vent right here. So that's pretty neat. I really like vents. It makes it look aggressive. You got vents on the front fender right there. Question for you guys. Here's the second question for you guys. We have these vents. Do you guys think it would look better if I add like a mesh here, like a chicken wire mesh or something like that, or just leave the holes? Leave the holes. I don't know. I was kind of thinking about adding a mesh. It looks more professional instead of just holes. When you have just holes, it looks kind of, I don't know.
Blow.
Then you have this huge rear quarter panel that adds the rear vents. This fits the gas tank right here. You want to make sure, like Mr. Sheldy said, you want to make sure that this fitment is super nice, because if you can't open your gas cap, how are you gonna put gas? If your thing scrapes, you're gonna mess up your gas tank. So want to make sure it opens good. It opens good. No issues.
Damn, that hoe dirty.
So the panel's rough, right?
Yeah.
So I sanded a little bit of the kit. Rub your hand and tell me if you feel it. Start from here and rub it across.
Oh, that's pretty. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
What's that? Ooh, the ooh.
Oh yeah, and then last piece before I come over here, there's these rear carbon fiber splats right here. They're the little carbon fiber on the side. That's really cool. Adds an aggressive rear end. Now the back end is still mainly stock, right? You have your stock rear bumper. There's nothing really going on in the back. No diffuser. Sabon, however you say it. And this other company, I forgot what it's called. I want to say Imperial, Impulsive, I don't know, something like that. They sell a really aggressive rear diffuser for the Z. I don't know if I'm gonna cop it. I don't even know if it will fit, but maybe something potentially custom. I don't know. Something I am wanting to do, guys. Let me show you. Oh, right here we have these vents. Same question. Should we add some vents in here? Do they look more professional if we add some vents, right?
You mean mesh?
Mesh, sorry. Yep, thank you. So does it look more professional if we add some more vents? So that's a question for you guys right here. But something I do want to do is I want to go crazy with this. So I do want to add like a strobe light kit, like a police light kit, you know, that blinks red and blue, red and blue, or white and red, white and blue, something like that. But I want to add it on these vents so they blink on the side right here. I think that would look pretty cool. So we're gonna add them in the front grill, and then in the back I was thinking right here on the side. Other things I want kind of going on, I do want to add a heat exchanger just so the car runs a little bit cooler, don't have to worry about it. So I do want to add that to the car. I also, you guys watched the video, I believe it was SEMA episode 2. I installed 2-piece Z1 Motorsport rotors. You can see them right here. So you got the 2-piece rotors right there. They look really, really beautiful. One problem, they're fantastic. They're phenomenal. So as soon as you install them, you feel the difference 100%. The steering is much easier to steer. You can feel the lightness 100%. But the problem is, if you can back up and not be in my nostrils, is that the rear ones, we still have the stock ones. You can see they're still the heavy OEM rotors. So, but the car's coming along. I don't have an update on the wheels yet, but according to them, when I first ordered it, 8 to 10 weeks. Week 8 is like the second and last week of September. So we should expect them to receive late September this month or very early October. Tires, we just got an email back from Toyo Tires. They emailed me back. I filled out the order form and everything. We talked, we agreed on something, and we're gonna be getting the R888s from Toyo. Toyo is helping us out with the SEMA build, so I really, really do appreciate it. Super excited. It's my first time ever going to SEMA. Thank you to you guys. This is all possible, so thank you very much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, help me out in the commentary. Let me know if you guys think I should put some mesh on those vents. Let me know. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for joining me today. I'll catch you guys next episode. And once again, I'm sorry for filming this on the iPhone. Next time will be a little bit better quality, but it's okay. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.